Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to know how to get the perfect eyebrows with a little hint of tips and tricks. So you have done your eyes, hair, lips all perfectly, but eyebrows is a mess, or the shape of your eyebrows not matching with your face shape. But for perfect look, you need to have a perfect eyebrow. So first step is the shaping. So for the shaping, we first need to perfectly line it. So I'm combing my eyebrows. Then I'm going to take a cotton thread, and in the one side I'm going to apply my concealer or any pancake you can apply. So I am shaping my eyebrows in the lines like this. All the concealers are needed to be touched in your eyebrow skin. So first I am framing it with my a straight line beside my nose bridge, second a straight line from nostril to eyebrow middle, and then a straight line from your eye corners to your nostril. Then we will connect it from the middle, and I'm connecting all the parts of the concealers for the perfect line for our threading or plucking, however you are going to shape. You can also use this technique and get your makeup done as well. So now you can use your plucker or you can use the threading method. So you have to tie a knot in your thread, and then we have already lined our eyebrows, so there will be no problem in connecting it. So after knotting it, we are going to stay straight in one hand and we are going to round it on the other hand until it creates a really nice blade. So you can cut it yourself, so be really gentle with it. And the third step will be the tools with what you are going to fill up your brows. So obviously threading and plucking isn't enough, so we can use brow pomades like this, or we can use really popular brow pencils, gels, anything you would like. But I found out that black is just too black for our Indian brows and some of us as well, so I have created the perfect eyebrow color. So you would need these things: eyebrow crayon, petroleum, beeswax, and some color. And we have to boil it in lukewarm water with double boiling method, and that creates the perfect eyebrow. So how to shape it, let me tell you. So we are going to comb our eyebrow hair first, then we are going to dip a brush. Try to use a really fine and angular brush that is going to create a really natural brow. Then we are going to shape just like that method we have done our plucking. You can also just conceal it right now using the thread and do your eyebrow. So always try and start with really thin strokes, because if you are going to use too much heavy makeup, the eyebrows are not going to look good. So if you have dry skin just like me, you can use this beeswax gel, and this is basically wet proof, and if you are even sweating, this is not going to get off. So this is how I have created my perfect brow. If you are ever going to do any mistakes, just use your concealer on that same brush or any other brush and just line it under. You can line it over as well, and it is going to hide your every mistake. Threading, filling, everything is done, but what we do to take care of our eyebrow: just use some sugar scrub on your eyebrows, or maybe your face scrub as your scrub for eyebrows, and scrub it really good, because there are particles of your gel or dirt or sometimes sweat which can stop your eyebrow growth. So clean it with that. Use some hot water to clean it really nicely, and then ice it to close the pores. And what you can do to get the perfect eyebrow growth is use some castor oil, mix it with petroleum, and that is the most good thing for your eyebrows. You have to just do it once or twice in a week, and that is going to take care of your eyebrow growth. I hope you guys have gained some knowledge, and thank you so much for watching. I really love to make videos for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share these videos. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.